So hello everyone. Today I am going to present about paper number 1010, history of English literature from 19,000 to 2000. My topic is the birthday party play, comedy of Minans. So next, comedy of Minans is a two body of plays written by David Comptons, Nigel Dennis, N.F. Simpson, and Harold Pinter. So the terms was coined by drama critic Larry Wardell, who borrowed it from the subtitle of comedy's play, The Lunatic View, a comedy of menace in reviving Pinter's caption play in core in 1958. Next. So, what is the comedy of Minans? Comedy of Minans is such different from sentimental comedy and anti-sentimental comedy. Comedy means humor, and Minans means theatric. Minans is a tragedy with a number of comic elements. It is a tragedy which also produce in a overwhelming tragic effect through throughout the play we are kept and it throughout the play we find ourselves also on the brink of terror, some identifiable and vague fear keep our nervous edge. We feel uneasy all the time, even when we are laughing or smiling with uncertainment. So this deal gives the play unique characters. Next, the menace is produced throughout the play from potential and actual violence or from borderlines of violence throughout the play. The actual cause of menace is difficult to define. It may be because the audience feel in uncertainty and insecurity throughout the play. The birthday party and look back in anger perfectly reveal the individual and social problem the Great Britain was moving through during the post-war era. Next, so Harold Pinter was a playwright, director, actor, poet, and political activities. So, as a playwright, Harold Pinter is in a inventor of a new kind of drama which became famous as the comedy of manners. So, unlike Coleridge, the famous romantic poet, Pinter begins his play in our known familiar world, but gradually makes us move into a trajectory and psychodynamics of a world which is beyond our comparison. So, is in Pinter's comedy of manners, the laughter and elation of audience in the same or all situation are immediately followed by a feeling of some impending disaster, and audience is therefore made aware in way midst of his laughter of some manners. The feeling of insecurity and uncertainty thought the play also enhanced the amazing atmosphere of Pinter's birthday party. The Manons is a Pinterine drama is also produced by a potential of actual violence or from a undried sense of violence thought the play. Pinter makes the audience feel that the security of the principal character and even the audience often security are created by some sort of impending dangers of disaster. Next. So here some work of painters, the birthday party, the French literatures, woman, the trials, the go between. Next. So in arriving word critic, what's the painters play the birthday party as the effect of manners. Next. So the birthday party, a painter's birthday party is a perfect example of comedy of menace. Throughout the play, we find that the hint of menace is inflected upon the individual freedom of person, and it is juxtaposed the comic element directly delects the comic appeal. Painter show his state in his existential view that dangers prevails everywhere, that life cannot escape from it. Painter thinks the Stanley, the protagonist, might have committed a serious crime and is on the run of escaping the consequence and legal imposition of his a successful concert and about a favorable job proposal of a pianist. But we can realize his innate apprehension for imminent integration of arrest by the two new guests at the boarding house. Next. So they want to come someone talking. The Mikhail talked all about it in act number 1. So in this attempt to paracult his fear upon in his attempt to would come to the boarding house in a van along with Wilbur. Next. In a mood to top his strived Dom Pinter often shown is a apparent fear, apprehension, but actually given Ocean the amusement. Lulu's arrival and conquering at their boarding door fulfill the purpose. Similarly, makes funny answer to Goldberg's question about Stanley also sustains the sequence of Stanley's immediate arrest. Thus is a dramatics give is a comic relief of the audience. When Goldberg continuously referred to Soap, which he has to exhibit Max in an audience confused about their unknown job, so as to see enhancing means a menace. Again, the conversation between Goldberg and Macon are often comical, but the possibility of danger and violence always pervade above the comedy. So here is one original quotation of in the play Goldberg. But why is it that before you do a job, you are all over the place, and when you are doing the job, you are as a cool as a whistle. So one in another quote is a dialogue in here. Goldberg, you know what I said when that job come up. Naturally, they approached me to take care of it. And you know who I asked for? Macon, who? Goldberg, you. In this dialogue in Act 1, so the integration of Stanley by the two gentlemen is sometimes funny or comical, but have a gigantic impact both upon Stanley and the audience. Even the birthday party, which begins in a light and jovial manner, and with Stanley attempt to struggle Meg and rap Lulu. So similarly, the birthday party also become the excuse of Goldberg's education and deflowing Lulu. Again, the argument of the birthday party acts as a plan to prove Stanley lunatic and take him away from the boarding. Next. So Goldberg all is dependent on the attitude of the subject at all events. So Mankin, I can assure you that the assignment will be carried out and the mission accomplished with too excessive observation to your myself in Act 1. So at the end of the play, audience are given an unsolved riddle about what has been of Stanley, which is of paramount significance in Painter's The Birthday Party. So a perfect example of comedy of menace. Some critics even believe that it is a superposition of the European concept of absurd. Martin Aslin has been described the drama as an example of the theater of the expert to the English native wit. Next. So thus the conclude we may say that absurdity of the play, which is a represent through a mancing effect, has it is own symbolic significance. It try to explain to human predicament in this indifferent and hostile world. Painters show us the reality of life. Of one of the major points of view about the play is meaninglessness and nothingness of human existence. So life under a constant shadow of fear and menace. Next. Here is my references. Next. Thank you.